Beer Jam Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some real simple cornbread. Very easy, very moist, very awesome. We're smoking it on the Weber kettle at about 275, 300 degrees in a Dutch oven. Oh hell yeah, about a half an hour is all you need. We're using Royal Oak lump. And if you want to add some wood chips to that, you can as well. But I think that's just the right amount of smoke that you're going to need. So the big trick with cornbread, make it up regular with what it says on the Jiffy box or whatever box you get. Make it the right way and then add a can of cream style corn. Oh hell yeah, that's the magic. And then you want to go a little more in depth, throw in some sweet heat, any kind. That's Pit Boss's sweet heat. Oh hell yeah, mix that in there. And a little bit of oil on top of that as well. Maybe 2-3 tablespoons. Mix that all up, whisk it up, dump it in the Dutch oven. While the Dutch oven's been in the Weber, so it's a little warm. You want to get that warmed up, and boom, rock and roll, baby. Oh, hell yeah. This awesome cornbread is rocking. Boom. So moist, so damn good. Check it out. So an easy side. Can't go wrong with cornbread. Oh hell no. Delicious. Easy to do. Oh, woo. So with cornbread, get as creative as you want. You can do all sorts of goodies. Slice up jalapenos, throw those in there. Add bacon, do whatever you want. Get crazy. Cornbread is delicious. Summer is almost here. It's finally decent. And hell yeah. And when you pull that out, make sure you put the toothpick in. Well, before you pull it out. Toothpick, if that pulls out perfectly fine with nothing on the toothpick, you're good to go. Rocking. So subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh hell yeah.